Everyone, last class we discussed about the image formation by concave mirror and convex mirror. Before we discussed basic conditions, please to have to remember all the basic conditions and image formation by concave and convex mirror to understand the numericals. Without you, if you don't know the basic conditions and image formation by concave and convex mirror, it's very difficult to understand the numericals. Okay, and some basic rules also are there in sign conventions. Okay, before numericals we have to discuss about sign conventions. What are sign conventions and mirror formula and magnification, all we have to discuss. To solve numericals you have to remember all the basic conditions. Like basic conditions you have to remember. Please, I'll repeat once again quickly. When your object is at finite distance is parallel to principal axis. Okay, when your object is at finite distance, when your object is at finite distance is parallel to principal axis, after the reflection is converges at f. This is the first condition. Okay, this parallel to principal axis converges at f after reflection. Okay, and one more ulta condition. Remember or not? When your ray falls travels through focus after reflection. Okay, it moves parallel to principal axis. And third condition is when your ray of a light, okay, falls on the center of curvature. When your ray travels through center of curvature, is reflected back along the same path. When your rays falls on the center of curvature, is your center of curvature. Okay, when your rays falls on the center of curvature, after reflection is reflected back along the same path or retraces the path. And last condition, when your ray, okay, obliquely falls on a point P, that is point pole. This follows the laws of reflection. First one, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. These all four conditions you have to remember. Okay. In the last class we discussed about image formation by concave mirror. Okay, the same rules we have to apply in the image formation by concave mirror. The separate rules are not there. All the basic four conditions you have to remember. You will come to know image formation by concave and convex mirror. In convex 2 are there, in concave 6 are there. First one is when your object is at infinite. Okay, when your object is at infinite, this is principal axis. Here is object, infinite place. We don't know the place of an object. One ray is parallel to the principal axis, converges at f, and one more where? Okay, one more also parallel to the principal axis, is also converges at f. This is the condition where your object is at infinite place. And you please come forward. Behind the center of curvature means one is parallel to principal axis means is parallel. One is parallel to principal axis. After reflection is converges at f. We know this one. And one more. If you want to find the formation of image, where you will get the image means you have to consider two rays. I told you in the first class. Okay. First, what we consider. Now our object is behind the center of curvature. Okay, one ray is parallel to principal axis, converges at f after reflection, and one more ray passes through center of curvature. After reflection, reflected back along the same path. Both the ray intersected in between center of curvature and focus. You remember this one, where you will do image formation in between center of curvature and the focus. Okay, and second condition, you move forward. Now your object is at center of curvature. Where you will get the image formation? Now your object is exactly at the center of curvature. Now we will go here. Now here is this is center of curvature, this is focus, and this is pole. Now object is here. One ray is parallel to principal axis. After reflection converges at f. Okay, and one more ray we have to consider. One more ray passes through focus after reflection. Okay, sorry, I have to take from this here, right? After reflection, parallel to the principal axis. Where they will meet? Here they will meet. Exactly at the center of curvature only you will get inverted image. Inverted means ulta image you will get. And say it's a real inverted and same size when your object is at center of curvature. And next one more is that when your object now move forward again. Now we got the exact at the center where when our object is at center of curvature. Next, here in between center of curvature and focus. When your object is center of curvature and focus, one there is parallel principal axis. After reflection, convert the side of, okay, and one more center of curvature. Both they will meet behind the center of curvature. Okay, where they will meet behind the center of curvature, and you will get object, bigger object compared to the object. Sorry, bigger image compared to the object. Okay. And lastly, two conditions are there. We discussed in images formed by convex. Two are there. In a convex mirror, in convex, images are coming from infinite place. Okay, they are coming from infinite place. After reflection, they diverges from the principal axis. Okay, they diverges from the principal axis. And one more is there. Okay, last class we discussed both conditions and 6 conditions also. Now we have to move forward to the sign conventions for reflection. Sign conventions means rules. In India we have a rule like while moving on a road, you have to move by your left side. Okay, you have to follow some rules. And mathematically, I think hope you remember in the 9th standard we discussed about Cartesian system. In Cartesian system, axes are there, right? Here also some rules and regulations are there. We have to follow some rules and regulations. Okay, sign conventions. First of all the distances which are parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole. Here it is a pole. We call it as origin. We consider here it as a pole. All the distances which are parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole itself. From here only we have to start. Okay, all the distances which are parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole. Okay, it may be distance of the object or image also. And one more, all the distances right side of your origin are considered as positive. All the distances measured right of your origin, I repeat, all the distances right of your origin are considered as positive. Okay, and one more, second one, all the distances left of your origin are considered as negative. Okay, this side you will get object distances every time. Okay, all the time object travels from right of your origin, right, are considered as negative, and this side you will get images only. Okay, in a in convex lens also, mirror also, this side you will get are measured from the pole itself are considered as positive. And one more here, height of the object, when your height is perpendicular to the principal axis, when your height is perpendicular to principal axis, above the principal axis, your height is perpendicular. Here is your height now, which is perpendicular principal axis and above the principal axis. Okay, is considered as, this height is considered as positive. When your height is below and perpendicular to the principal axis, when your object is above and perpendicular to the principal axis, means you have to consider it as positive. They will give you numericals, height of the object. Okay, like height of the object which is perpendicular means is considered as positive. When your object in a concave mirror, even after reflection you will get inverted image, are considered as negative. Here below the principal axis are considered as, this height is considered as negative. Okay, first one is all the distances are measured from the pole, and all the shear distances from the right of your origin are considered as positive. All the distances are measured left from the origin are considered as negative. And this object height is, when your object is perpendicular to principal axis, is considered as positive. when your object is below and perpendicular to the principal axis is considered as negative. Here, what we discuss is sign conventions. All sign conventions are there in your textbook also. Okay, they are given clearly. You please just go through. Very simple. Okay, from the pole, this side, right side of the pole are considered as positive. Right side of the left side of the pole are considered as negative, and above height means positive, below height means negative. Only four conditions are there, and this point is called as pole, or you consider it as the origin also. You have to measure from the pole itself all the measurements. Okay, here are all the conditions, and your textbook also same conditions are there. You please just go through all the conditions. Okay, are very infinitely very important. Okay, you please remember all the basic rules, and image formation by concave and convex mirror are very simple. In exam they will give one ray diagram, you have to complete. They will give like when ray is parallel to the principal axis at in, they may give is infinite or behind the curvature or exactly at the center of it, wherever they can. Okay, they may give. You have to complete the ray diagram after reflection. They will give like when it's parallel to the principal axis, when a ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, you have to complete the ray diagram. Okay, they will ask any one ray diagram for 2 marks, and you have to write the explanation. All the sign conventions, and next we'll move to mirror formula. Okay, mirror formula. In mirror formula, 3 terms we have to remember. U, object distance. Is a object distance, and V, image distance, and this one, principal focus, focal length, and this is focal length. What is meant by image distance? The distance of the object from the pole. The distance of the object. For consider your object is here. The distance of the object from the pole, from here to here, is what? Object distance. Okay, and this is object distance. Okay, and V, image distance. The distance of the image from the pole. Okay, here this is U and this is V. The distance of the image from the pole is called image distance, and this F is focal length. You have to combine both, all the 3, that is 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. This is a mirror formula. Okay, this is called mirror formula. 1 by F equals to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Here V means object distance. Sorry. U means object distance and V means image distance, and F is a focal length. Okay, they may ask in your exam. Okay, in last year and previous year question paper, this question is there. State. Okay, state mirror formula. You have to write the definition of UVF and the definition. So this formula, first you have to define all the 3 terms and write this definition. You will get at least 2 marks. Okay, this question is very important. Okay, next, magnification. In magnification, after this mirror formula, we have to discuss about magnification. What is meant by magnification? This magnification is defined as, this magnification is denoted by the letter M. Actually, this magnification is denoted by the letter M. What is meant by magnification? This magnification is defined as, is the ratio of height of the image. Is the ratio of height of the image to the height of the object. Okay, in generally mathematically, height of the image is considered as h dash divided by height of the object is h. Then magnification is mathematically written as m equals to h dash divided by h. H dash means height of the image, h means height of the object. Okay, all this mirror formula 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v, and this magnification formula are very important. Okay, here one more in magnification. This magnification is equals to minus v by u. In a mirror, we are discussing in mirror. Okay, this comes in a mirror. We are discussing about the mirror. In mirror, we will get reflection. Okay, in mirror, this mirror formula 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v, and magnification height of the image to the height of the object, and this is h dash divided by h equals to minus v by u. This is a mirror formula which you have to remember. Here is a numerical problem. An object placed at a distance of 48 centimeter. See here, object is placed at a distance of 48 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. In front of concave mirror. See here, here is a concave mirror. Okay, is placed in front of the concave mirror at a distance of 48 centimeter. This is u. Okay, and of a focal length. This is focus, right? From here to here is what? Focal length. That is 24 centimeter. They are given. Object is at 48 centimeter in front of a concave mirror. That is u value. Okay, and they are given of the focal length 24 centimeter. And in sign conventions, we discuss this one. Okay, how to consider negative or positive. All the distances left of your okay, left of the pole are considered as negative. All the incident, okay, that means object distances are negative. Here 48 is there, this is equals to minus 48 centimeter, and this is also this side only, left of your mirror only. Then f equals to minus 24 centimeter. Both f and u are negative. Then we have to find out here what we have to find out. Position of the image, where you will get the image, we have to find out. That is v equals to question mark. And nature of the image, is it real or inverted, we have to find out. First we will take the relation. What is the relation? 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, here I'll substitute the values of f and u. First you rearrange this one, 1 by v as it is. Okay, keep it there only. You take this 1 by v other side, 1 by f, this 1 by v becomes minus 1 by u. I'll substitute now. F equals to how much? Minus 24. Minus of 1 by v value is 1 by minus of 48. This is equals to, this is 1 by minus 24 as it is, minus into minus plus 1 by 48. Then LCM of both, that is 48 only. 24 2s are 48, 48 1s are 48. Then 1 into 2, here minus is there, minus 2, plus 1 into 1 is 1. Then minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 divided by 48. We got 1 by v value. Okay, if you want to find out the v value, means take the reciprocal of 1 by v. That is v equals to minus 48 centimeter. We got again in a negative. See here, you are in a concave mirror. Where you will get the image? Left of the mirror only. That is v equals to minus 48. That means your image is also negative, that is minus 48. We got distance of the object and image are both same. Okay, see here, the value of the object distance and the image distances are same. This means your object is at center of curvature after reflection, where they will meet exactly at the center of curvature only. The nature of the image is real, inverted and same size. Why? We got the same value for u and v. Okay, after simplification. That's why when your object is at center of curvature, then where you will get the image formation? At the center of curvature only, inverted image of the same size. See here, u equals to minus 48, v equals to minus 48. This shows that the object is at center of curvature. Okay, this one more numerical question. This is there in your textbook only. This is there in your textbook question. An object is placed at a distance of 25 cm in front of a concave mirror of a focal length 15 cm, and we have to find out here where we have to place mirror to get a sharp image. Okay, here also we have to find out the image, position of the image only, and nature of the image. First, I'll write in a concave u equals to, they are given object distance in a concave u equals to minus only. You have to consider as they are given positive, but you have to consider, okay, sign conventions. Go back to sign convention. In sign conventions, from the your left side of your mirror, all distances are left side of your mirror are considered as negative. Here also they are given positive in question. You have to consider negative. 25 cm u, and f also, f equals to minus 15 cm. Then we have to find out v equals to question mark. Okay, then with the help of relation 1 by f equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, rewrite this one. We have to find out v value. 1 by v equals to 1 by f minus 1 by u. This 1 by u goes to other side, becomes minus 1 by u. Substitute the value. F is minus 15. This is minus of v value is 1 by minus 25. Then this is minus into minus plus 1 by, here I will write 1 by minus 15, minus into minus plus 1 by 25. You take the LCM, okay, LCM of this one. Okay, just where substitute the value of f is minus 1 by 15, okay, minus of u value is minus of 1 by minus 25. Okay, and simplify here. The LCM of 15 and 25 is how much? 75. The LCM you have to find out 15 and 25. You will get as a 75. Here 15 3s are 15 5s are 75, and here this is 25 3s are 75. There 1 into 5 minus 5. Why minus means here minus sign is that 1 into 5 minus 5 minus 5 minus into minus plus 1 3s are 3. This is equals to minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 divided by 75. This is a 1 by v value. Okay, you take the reciprocal, v equals to 70 minus 75 by 2. You simplify, you will get the total distance of the, where is the exactly position of the image. Okay, after simplification, this is equals to minus 35 point, this is 2 1s are 2 3s are 1 remains 2 7s are, okay, point 37.5 centimeter is a image distance. And nature of the image is, nature is real, okay,